This morning I'm going to talk about making sure that the tool is on the center line before you cut. It's really important that it's on the center line to get the correct measurements, the correct finish, and to make sure that your tool doesn't get material welded on it while you're turning and facing or doing whatever operation you're doing, grooving, it could be anything. So I'm going to zoom in here to this tool tip. Now you can see I've got this height gauge I'm using as a comparison, and the height gauge is lined up right with the tip of the tool. That's how high you want it. So to show you how you adjust it, I'll back out a little bit here first so you can see the tool holder. So this is the tool holder right here, which grips the turning tool in this case. Could be any kind of tool for the lathe. And there's a little adjustment knob here. So when we loosen the tool post, we can lift this up, change the tool we're working on. Alright, put in the tool, slide it down, and close it tight to make sure it's ready for use. But what if our tool is off? So I'll give you an example here. What if the tool, instead of being directly on center, looks something like this? You can tell that the tip of the tool is higher than the gauge. All right. So the way I adjust that is with that little adjustment knob on the tool holder. So I loosen the handle on the tool post and I twist it backwards, and eventually this tool will drop down further and further until we're at the center height that we need. Lock the handle back in place, and you can see if we get in really close that this is at the height that we need. Again, it's very important that you have the right tool center height when you're setting up your lathe tools. That's the first thing you want to check out before you start doing anything.